Short-form video has become one of the most widely used formats for sharing information online. Many individuals and organizations rely on artificial intelligence tools to simplify the creation process and produce consistent results. This tutorial provides a detailed, beginner-friendly overview of a common workflow used to create AI-assisted short-form videos. Short-form videos often perform well when they include three core elements. The first element is a clear and attention-grabbing hook. The second element is a fast visual payoff that delivers value quickly. The third element is a simple and easy-to-understand message. These components help maintain viewer engagement, which increases the likelihood that a platform will recommend the content to a wider audience. The workflow begins with topic selection. Many creators choose subjects that already show strong search interest. Keyword research tools can identify trending terms, including the term shorts, which receives a significant number of monthly searches. Selecting a topic with existing demand increases the chances that a video will be discovered by viewers who are actively searching for related information. Once a topic has been selected, the next step is script development. Artificial intelligence writing tools can generate structured scripts that include an introduction, a main explanation, and a closing statement. These tools help beginners create organized content without requiring advanced writing skills. The script can be adjusted to match the desired tone, pacing, and level of detail. After the script is prepared, the workflow moves into video generation. AI video platforms allow users to upload a script, select a digital presenter, and automatically produce a video. This method is commonly used for educational, informational, and training content because it provides a consistent and professional appearance without requiring camera equipment or on-screen talent. The digital presenter delivers the script in a clear and structured manner, making the content accessible to a wide audience. The next step involves editing. Editing software can be used to add captions, highlight keywords, include simple transitions, adjust timing, or incorporate supporting visuals. These enhancements help maintain viewer attention and improve clarity. Short-form videos typically perform best when the message is delivered quickly and supported by visual elements that reinforce the information being presented. Another important part of the workflow is optimizing the video for retention. Many creators use techniques such as dynamic text, subtle zooms, quick cuts, and sound cues to keep viewers engaged. These elements help guide the viewer's attention and make the content easier to follow. Retention is a major factor in how platforms evaluate short-form videos, so these enhancements can contribute to stronger performance. Once the video has been edited, the final step is publishing. Titles that clearly describe the topic and match common search terms help viewers find the video. Descriptions are usually brief and focus on summarizing the value of the content. Tags or keywords can be added to improve discoverability. This structured approach supports visibility without relying on personal opinions or personal experiences. This workflow is widely used because it allows beginners to create short-form content efficiently. Artificial intelligence tools simplify writing, presenting, and editing, making the process accessible to individuals and organizations that want to share information in a clear and structured format. The workflow can be repeated for any topic, making it a practical method for producing consistent content at scale. Short-form video continues to grow in popularity, and AI-assisted workflows provide a reliable way to create educational and informational videos that meet modern viewer expectations. By following a structured process, topic selection, script development, AI video generation, editing, retention optimization, and publishing, beginners can learn the fundamentals of short-form content creation and produce videos with confidence. This concludes the tutorial on how AI tools are used to create viral short-form videos using a beginner-friendly workflow.